Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech and Travel. Today I'm going to be doing some brief review of the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 smart band or smartwatch. It's not a smartwatch, but it's a smart band. I had done a previous video which was mostly about the unboxing of this smart band, but today I'm going to be doing a complete review of some of the functions in this band, and because I've used it when I was swimming, and I've used it running as well. So I'm going to show you some features, how to connect with the phone, what app should you use, and something else. So yeah, and let's try this in water. So I have this water. I'm gonna take this out. So this is just the watch, so I'm gonna put in the water. So this is the water test. So if I just put this in water and it's still working, as you can see. Maybe I can show you a little bit. Inside water, so like you can see, so it has these different functions. So it is water resistant, and I just remove it. It's working. It's water resistant, and that's one of the, because I was using this while swimming, and I also used in a little bit hot water, so I think it's not a problem, and it's working perfectly. And let's talk about some other functions. It has different kind of functions, like has workout functions. It has heart rate, of course, and it also shows you weather. It also show you some status of how much you worked out or your steps, etc. So let me just show you some more. So now let's talk about the functions it has. So it has quite a lot of functions. For first one is this display. You can also change the background picture, like I have put my daughter picture in the back. You can do this, but you can do this from the app. I'm going to show you the app after, but let me just first finish this. So you just push this, touch this button in the down there, so up, or if you want to go down. So you have a more that consists of day and night, something in D&D, I don't know, alarm, music. You can put music and then just use music, stopwatch, timer, find device, and band display. Actually, it's the band display. Once you set up from the picture, like I told you, you can then change the band display often. And we have notifications, we have weather, workout. In workout you have different options. You have a treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise, and pool swimming. So it basically tells you how much calories you losing by doing exercises. And if you go back, so you just swipe from the side. Okay, now I just press the wrong button, and so just keep the button push and then stop it. Yes, so I go back. We have a heart rate. It tells you the heart rate because it's using these sensors on the back. And we have a status, like I have 5,174 steps today. Distance is 3.78 kilometer, and I have 135 calories, like you can see. So these are like different functions in this watch. And yeah, so that's the main features. Just go in notification as well. So there is no notification. You can receive notification from your phone, but you have to connect this with the Bluetooth, unless otherwise you won't get any notification or something. So it must be connected with the Bluetooth. I'm going to show you the app as well. Just let me just open the app. Okay, let's talk about the app. So the app is called Mi Fit. Before that, you have to switch on your Bluetooth as well, because otherwise it won't connect. So this is the Mi Fit app. You can have this on a Android, or you can have it on a iOS both. And scan. So this is the fit, and now you can see it's connecting with the device. So now it's connected, as you can see, and it's showing me the workout for today, which I have 5,174 steps, which I showed you before. My heart rate is 94 bpm. I'm not sure why is it too high. It's too high. Maybe I was doing something. My weight is 78 kg. That's something I put on because the clock, the smart band cannot predict this. And you can see the walking. I have done some walking. You can show you on the GPS as well, running, cycling, and different. It also show you friends they're using this. It has your profile, and yeah, so that's the different things. If you want to you can, with this app you can add some other devices as well from Xiaomi, like they have smart shoes, scale, the watch. This one is the band. So yeah, this is the short review of the app. So it has all these functions, and yes, so that's it. So this is the end of the review for this smart band. It's very good, and with the price of about $40-50, I think it's a very good bargain. It gives you lots of functions that most of these expensive wristwatches or the smartwatches gives you. So I will probably recommend this if you cannot afford the expensive ones. So I think this gives you lots of the features that one needs to, like exercise and workout steps, heart rates, etc., which is kind of a basic. So it's very convenient. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Take care. Bye.